In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word on a Windows device. If you're looking to enhance your writing by catching those pesky grammar mistakes and improving the clarity of your text, then integrating Grammarly with Word is a great step forward. This video will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a seamless experience. Let's start by visiting the Grammarly Office integration page. Simply open your web browser and search for Grammarly for Microsoft Office. You'll land on a page where you can download the necessary software to integrate Grammarly with Word. It's crucial that you're on the correct page to ensure you download the right version of the software. Once you're on the page, look for the option to download the Windows installer. This is usually prominently displayed as Download Grammarly for Windows. Click this link and a file will start downloading to your computer. If you have your browser set to download automatically to a specific folder, check there. Otherwise, it should show up in your default Downloads folder. After the file has finished downloading, locate it on your computer. It might be a good idea to check your Downloads folder if you're not sure where it went. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. A series of prompts will guide you through the installation. Just follow these instructions carefully. They typically involve agreeing to terms and conditions, choosing installation preferences, and confirming the installation. With the installation complete, it's time to check our success. Open Microsoft Word, and you should now see a new tab or widget labeled Grammarly somewhere on your Word interface. If it doesn't appear immediately, try restarting Word or even your computer to ensure everything is updated and running smoothly. Now that you have Grammarly visible in Word, you'll need to log into your Grammarly account. Click on the Grammarly tab or widget, and it should prompt you to enter your Grammarly credentials. If you don't already have an account, the login page will likely provide the option to create one. Having an account will allow Grammarly to provide personalized suggestions based on your writing habits and preferences. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start writing or editing any document. Grammarly works in real time, which means as you type, it will underline any issues it detects. You'll see suggestions categorically listed under labels like grammar, clarity, and more, allowing you to improve your writing as you go. With Grammarly now successfully integrated into Microsoft Word, you're equipped with a powerful tool to enhance your writing quality, helping you communicate more effectively and confidently. Thank you for following along, and happy writing.